Hi kids, so sorry about the quality of this video. It's a screenshot of the other video that didn't have sound for some reason, so I'm just recording this to fix it. It's pretty straightforward here. Write an inequality relating the given side lengths. If there's not enough information to reach a conclusion, write no conclusion. The idea here is that we need this side angle side. We need the angle to be included between the two known congruent sides. So when they're asking about AB and AD, which are these sides right here, those are opposite the two angles that we know, and those angles are between the two sides we know. We have this side congruent to this side. We also have this side reflexively congruent to itself. So we have side, angle, side, right? Now it's not congruence because the angles aren't congruent. So the triangles are not congruent. So what we're doing is writing an inequality, and I'm just going to write it right over the words or the names that they have here. Which side is larger? Well, 41 degrees is bigger than 38. So the side opposite 41 degrees, AD, is bigger. So we would say this is bigger than that, just like that. Okay, let's keep going like that. Number 7, we have two sides congruent, and the included angle is what we know. This side is smaller than this side, so we know that RT is greater than PR. And when we write it, RT is greater than PR, and it looks like that. Okay, continuing on, same thing here. We've got a linear pair here, and if this is 82, meaning it's less than 90, that's going to put this more than 90. Okay, and you can actually calculate it out to be 98 degrees. But you can also just, if you understand the idea, you can do in your head quickly to say less than 90 makes this more than 90, which means this is going to be greater, and we're going to have KL greater than LM. Okay, KL is greater than LM, like so. Okay, and then this last one, you can see that we have two sides and an included angle. Here we have two sides and an angle, but it's not the included angle. And this is where this no conclusion up top comes in. We don't have enough information because we don't have the setup that we need to be able to make a conclusion. So we say no conclusion. And that's the way you do them.